Here we have a 2009 Chevy Colorado, 84,000 miles. This little pickup truck really puts a smile on my face. It's fully custom. It's got the wheels, tires. What attracted me at first was a flat black paint job. But this vehicle has a lot more than just a flat black paint job. Alright, let's get started. It's got the little bit of a surprise under the engine, under the hood, so to speak. .3 Vortec Optima battery, intake. It's got a cam. Stabilizer struts. Exhaust system. This is the custom exhaust. Now we got a little bit of a surprise for you. Nice little button over here. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah. Opens this puppy up a little bit. This thing is joy, joy, joy. Little dragster. Traction control off. Let's give it a little gas. That was actually a bad one. It's got a lot more power than that. Let's see here.